ODYKING, safer, more wearable. When you're driving, there's no doubt that you may encounter a variety of circumstances. Therefore, you need a reliable tire. Whatever you want to do, we can help you realize it. ODYKING takes your safety and demand into consideration every day. Therefore, we give full play to our imagination and creativity to help you to enjoy the fun of travel and progress. Extensive specifications and patents enhance traction performance of tires and their ground grasping capability on different roads, which provides you with diversified choices. Every ODYKING pattern is well designed by the professional technical team so that ODYKING tires can be appropriate for different road conditions. Compared with common tires, the bearing capacity, anti-puncture ability, and wear resistance of ODYKING brand tires have been improved by 4%, and their lifetime increases by 23%. The sales of ODYKING rank high in more than 70 countries in Asia, Africa, the Middle East, North and South Americas, as well as Australia. Inspection: we strictly obey international standards to make careful detection at all stages. Regarding the emergence of every piece of ODYKING tire, considering the sales of each ODYKING tire, from severe packaging, nice gifts to the excellent service, you can feel our kind intention for you. We have established a perfect marketing protection system to protect your rights, which will benefit both ODYKING agents and their clients. Every ODYKING tire carries our faith, protecting the natural environment, and your safety is our mission, and satisfying your demand is our target. ODYKING, wherever you work, we work.